Hello, my name is Natalie Ngaik, and this is my self-introduction video. It is January 18th at 10 p.m., around 10 p.m., and the reason why I'm filming this so late is because I just enrolled in this class, so I'm a little bit behind, and I'm just trying to catch up with everybody as quickly as I possibly can. So let's go. Right now, I am working full-time at a middle school in an intensive resource room, and my main focus is American Sign Language. So I work with kids that are nonverbal but use sign language to speak. I am actually an elementary education major, so this is one of my required classes that I must take. However, I'm very excited to take this class. My dad is from a very small village called Tanunik. It is around the Tuxuk Bay area. If you're unsure about where Tuxuk Bay is, you can think of it more as the Bethel area. That's what I tend to tell more people. I grew up in Tanunik off and on at a young age, so I was very lucky to be able to grow up surrounded by the Yupik culture. My parents, though, relocated us to Fairbanks, and I have been here ever since. My take on anthropology in Alaskan cultures is it's a mix. It's about 50-50. And the reason is I think it's important for us to be able to look back and learn about the people then, like way back then, and how they survived and what we can learn from them and to help keep the culture alive. But on the other hand, I can understand that it could be very invading for some of those people. It can make them uncomfortable. Maybe what they were trying to teach people is written down wrong, or they don't understand, and it could just have a whole bunch of miscommunication. However, I feel like today it might be a little bit easier, but it's just something, it's 50-50. I just believe it should be done in the correct way. So I'm very excited to learn more from this class, and I'm looking forward to it.